Recently, I have been contacted by my constituents about concerns they hold for the people of Pakistan, and so I would like to take this opportunity to raise their concerns in this place. I've heard immense concerns about violations of human rights, arrests of citizens and political activists, violations of the Constitution, and the suspension of democratic process. People are concerned about the arrest of the former Prime Minister Imran Khan in May, the treatment of PTI party members, and the harm caused to those protesting, with many injured and some tragically losing their lives. Restrictions on the people's movements and political expression are also concerning. Any suspension of human rights, including political freedom, that impacts democracy is deeply concerning for me and all those in this place. The government is concerned about the reports of violence in Pakistan following the arrest of Mr. Khan. The violence has